Guys, Dusby naman yung haharap sa mga duo challengers. Kaya panoorin natin to. Alright? Na-excite ako guys na panoorin to.
Pagbalik sa bahay ni na Charlie at Sneer,
I love you, Ma. Laban natin to. Laban tayo, Mom.
Love you, ate.
Chares.
Sobrang strong.
Sobrang proud po ako sa duo po namin, kuya, kasi wala po kaming regrets po sa mga sinabi po namin kasi alam po namin na from the heart po talaga lahat po yun, kuya.
Bakal do, hindi talaga nila ako mapapaiyak, te. So proud of you.
Ako naiyak lang ako kasi yung last message, I've been wanting to say that talaga. So happy I got to tell them.
samantala sunod ng haharap sa Big Tapatan sina Dustin at Bianca.
Ito na.
Nag-usap na kami ni Bianca about dun sa question ni Kuya na kung sino man yung deserving pang bumalik. Pagkasunduan namin na ang napili naming duo ay si Ate Klang at si Shuvi. And kung willing ba kami mag-sacrifice, willing kami sacrifice lahat basta hindi yung duo namin yung kapalit. Hindi kami lalabas dito.
Tingin nyo, hindi fair na may mag-take ng spot nyo kahit na yung rason kung bakit lagi kayo nasa alanganin is hindi nagbabago?
Hindi ko nakikita yung walang growth doon sa reason na lagi kami magkasama. In fact, for us, the more na nagsasama kami, nag-grow kami together. Hindi namin kontrolado. Kung sa inyo, masama yung pagsasama namin, yung relationship na meron kami, sa amin hindi yun masama. Pumasok kami dito na walang ina-expect, lalo na ako. Nangyari lang ang nangyari. I mean, nagpakatotoo lang ako.
Sure ka ba na unexpected yung tungkol sa love team? Kasi parang ang dami kang binigyan ng interest na...
Sino kaya?
Kasi in the first few weeks,
Di ko alam.
Girls, pasok!
nag-start nyo na.
Sinasabihan niyo ano?
Dustin, I saw ilang beses mo nang binabanggit yung pangalan ko.
Tapos, na-move to Ivana. And then, at the same time, you were asking me and every other girl kung single sila. Specifically.
Kira, totoo naman talaga na girlfriend material yung physical na itsura mo. Totoo naman talaga, hindi ko i-deny yan. Okay? So,
Thank you.
Ano yun? Kira, I think papalit na kayong place ni Bianca.
Kasi, naging duo kayo agad ni Josh. So, he wasn't able to
So
grab you.
if hindi ko naging kaduo si Josh, what would you do?
to be honest, Kira, to be honest,
Yeah, be
completely
honest.
hindi kita nakikita ang magiging duo ko nung mga araw na yun. Honestly, till lumabas ka, hindi naman talaga tayo naging close. So, hindi kita pipiliin. Ano sabi mo, love team?
Solution.
Bro, sa lahat dito, ako, wala akong idea dyan. Nagla-love team na yan.
So ano to?
Totoo. Totoo to, Kira. Alam mo yan. Alam mo yan.
No, I don't actually.
Eh, di-
So why would you want to
Wala
choose
na
Bianca
explain
to be your last duo kung hindi talaga for the love team?
Kasi gusto ko siya.
Why?
Gusto ko siya.
That's it?
Gusto ko siya from the moment na nagustuhan.
So wala nang push and pull. Push mo na.
Hindi na namin kailangan i-explain kung ano yung meron sa amin.
Okay, let's say it's not fake. Okay, you guys love each other. But don't you get it? Hindi nyo ba na-feel na sobrang toxic nyo na?
Ikaw,
Ang
Bianca.
daming selos na nangyayari. Hindi pa naman kayo. Don't you get how that's affecting the other housemates? Ramdam nila yan. Selos? Di naman kayo.
There was a time, aaminin ko, I was scared na baka nga medyo nagiging toxic na hindi
Uy, sobrang toxic.
Hindi pa man din tayo. There were times na nagselos ako.
Uy!
Meron din times na nagselos siya. Merong times na sobrang babaw ng mga pinag-aawayan namin. And yes, may mga tasks na nadala kayong lahat. And for that, we're really, really sorry. Ate Klang, we're really, really sorry. But just like any type of friendship or relationship, we believe na from those obstacles, we've grown. We've grown a lot. Seeing us right now, alam kong we've come a long way. So, with the toxic part, I feel like I thought we were, pero feeling ko hindi naman pala. I think it was just a vital part of what we had to go through inside our journey in this house. And we're sorry na you became part of that journey. Ang liit ng bahay natin. Kung kakayanin lang namin na i-close off yung walls namin sa inyo, gagawin namin. But wala, dito tayo. So, again, we're very, very sorry.
Dustin, di ba kaya nabigyan ka rin ng point last time is because parang gusto mo na mag-give up?
Ikaw ba, Shubi? Did you ever want to go home?
I never want to. Not even once. Not even once you had that mentality. Sa tingin mo, mas deserving ka kaysa kay Shubi?
Okay. Naiintindihan ko ito. Hindi deserving sa inyo, hindi. And that's okay. I mean, for me, the fact na nandito ako ngayon, kung sino man ako, kung yung boses ko ay mahina o malakas, the fact na nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, deserving ako. Deserving kami.
I kinda disagree yung sa kami kasi si Bianca, sa mga tasks natin, parang medyo pumapalya.
Kailan ba siya naging kususun sa task, bro? Kasi tayo, bro, medyo kususun na tayo.
Yung sukla, magaling
Yung
sa
sukla,
task.
okay din. Okay din. Ano, like, why are you more deserving than us?
Wala naman akong sinasabi na mas deserving ako sa inyo. In fact, there was a time wherein I really felt like nung umalis si Shuvi and Ate Klang, umiiyak ako sa kanila, Dustin and the remaining housemates. Sabi ko, feeling ko hindi ko talaga, di namin deserve to because sa tasks and in every challenge, feeling ko hindi naman talaga ako pinakamagaling eh. Kailan ba ako nag-number 1? Never din. So, kung usapang tasks and challenges, yes, I agree. Nagkaroon ako ng pagkukulang. Nung simula, I wasn't the best. Pero wala kayo dito nung nag-improve ako. You weren't here. Naniniwala ako na gumaling ako. I did my best. Mas nagkaroon ako ng drive. Mas naging focused ako. And I'm sorry na hindi ngayon nakita.
Bianca, parang hindi kita nakitang nagluluto sa bahay. You don't even do the chores. Is it because rich kid ka? So bakit lagi si Ate Klang yung nagluluto? Never ka man lang nag-usa na, ate, ako na to.
Actually, simple lang naman yung sagot ko dyan eh. I really didn't want to overstep. Yes, I can do that. Kaya kong magluto kahit paglutuan ko kayo buong araw. But I won't do that kasi alam kong gustong-gusto yung gawin ni Ate Klang. So, ipaparaya ko yun sa kanya. At hello, let's be real. Almost lahat kami nantitira dito marunong sa kusina. Pero pinapaubayan namin yun sa kanya because we know how much she loves to see us eat what she cooks. So, yun lang yun.
Sa Big Four, hinahangaan niyo ng mga tao, di ba? Role model.
Example.
So,
Good.
alam ko sinabi nyo na marami kayong pinagdaanan. Pero ano yung makukuha namin doon? What can we learn from that?
We're gonna look up to you guys. People are looking up to you. And we're talking about relationship lang. Hindi naman to dating show eh. Kumbaga, the essence of the collab is something like Shukla. Shukla has something that can prove to the people they're fighting for their dreams. What's your dreams ba as a couple?
As a duo,
Apart from you fixing your problems, being closer, hindi na nag-push and pull.
you know what? And alam niyo, and so if it is, what if we find strength within each other? Mali ba yun?
Winner na ba yan? Okay na kayo dyan? Kasi parang honestly, kanina ba kami nandito, inaantog namin kasi wala kayong drive. We get it, you guys are the
grabe.
century.
Grabe ka, Michael.
That you deserve it more than my duo and I, more than Shukla. Where? Why do you want to win?
Kahit paulit-ulit tayo dito, I don't see this as a
So
competition.
you don't want to win? Yes or no?
Bro,
You don't want to win?
Hindi ko na kontrolado yun.
Do you want to win?
You want to win?
You want to win?
Yes, for sure.
Let's say it. You want to win?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Bianca, do you want to win?
Oo.
Next question. What makes you a winner?
Ako, simula pa lang dito, ang unang-una ko talagang pinaglaban yung sarili ko, yung pangarap ko. Sabi ko nga kanina kay Dustin, yung labanan dito, it's really not about who's the best or who's rank 1. It's pangarap, laban sa pangarap, literally. Ako, I may not be number 1 all the time, but it is a competition. It's a reality competition. And the fact that I'm here showing my 100% self, alam ko sa sarili ko, nagpakatotoo ako. At dyan pa lang alam kong panalo ako because I've been real from the very start. Never ako naging plastic, never ako naging showbiz. I don't think so.
Hanggang sa oras na para magbigay sila ng mensahe para sa mga duo challengers.
So happy seeing all of you. Kakasama tayo lahat sa journey na to. Super miss na miss ko na kayo and see you all guys outside. Yun lang.
Ako, honestly, miss na miss ko rin kayong lahat. Alam kong hindi kayo yan. That's probably just the outside world projected through your bodies. Hindi ganyan ang pagkakakilala namin sa inyo. So, I guess that's why ako ako, okay ako. Kilalang niya ako, iyakin ako. Pero proud ako na hindi ako umiyak ngayon kasi hindi kaya yan. And gusto ko lang sabihin na mahal ko kayong lahat. And always take care.
You guys.
Sobrang chill lang po nila kuya. Actually, silang dalawa eh. Lalo na si Dustin. Hindi namin masyado nabasag yung pagka-chill niya. But syempre, nakaka-proud din kay Dustin yun na makita yung this time. Andun na yung drive kuya.
Galing mo
With their answers, kuya, they were honest. We've seen how much they want this.
Ang ganda, no?